Above. The cat is above the table. Below. The dog is below the table. Forget. I forgot my keys at home. Remember. I remember our first trip. Warm. The tea is warm and tasty. Cool. The weather is cool today. Poor. I want to help poor people. Rich. His uncle is rich and kind. Swim. He learned to swim last year. Drown. He fell in the river and drowned. Sorrow. His eyes were full of sorrow. Joy. The news gave her joy. Careless. A careless person can get hurt. Careful. He is a careful cyclist. Distant. He stood at a distant corner. Near. My friend stood near me. Disagree. He disagrees with her brother. Agree. My parents agree to my idea. Huge. We saw a huge elephant. Small. She found a small mouse.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!